Hello everyone. In last video we learned about acidic substances. Today we will discuss the general behavior or the properties of acidic substances. First, they have a sour taste. They turn blue litmus red. They corrode most metals, that is chemically act on them and forming a new compound which is called salts. That's why sour thing, pickles and vinegar are not kept in metal pot. Hydrogen is produced when acids react with most of common metal. Like if we talk about zinc, it react with hydrochloric acid, it react with sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 and hydrogen gas. Same as this reaction from iron. If iron react with sulfuric acid, it gives ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 and hydrogen gas. The next property of acidic substance are acidic substance react with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to liberate carbon dioxide with effervescence, and the reaction is, if we talk about sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 plus twice of HCl, it react with hydrochloric acid, it gives sodium chloride, NaCl, water and carbon dioxide. Children, we can make use of a activity to test for an acidic substance at home. Take some baking soda, which is called sodium bicarbonate, and the formula of sodium carbonate is NaHCO3, and put a drop or two of the test tube on it. If the test liquid is acidic, carbon dioxide gas will evolve with effervescence, that is, gas bubbles will be produced with a hissing sound. You will find that lemon juice and vinegar will cause effervescence but water will not. For this we take some baking soda and few drops of lemon. We see the carbon dioxide gas with effervescence is produced. Now, if we drop some strong vinegar or bathroom acid on a marble floor, we may observe effervescence, because marble, which is made up of calcium carbonate, react with acids. This is also the reason why marble monuments like Taj Mahal are affected by acid rain. And the reaction of this, CaCO3 means calcium carbonate react with sulfuric acid. It gives calcium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. Now children, we will discuss the uses of acid. Mineral acid find wide applications in various industries. Natural acids mainly in food processing. There is a table in which we see the uses of mineral acid and natural acid. First of all, we discuss mineral acid. Hydrochloric acid is used as a bathroom cleaner, in the tanning of leather and in the dyeing and textile industries. Nitric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizer, in the manufacture of explosive, dyes and drugs. If we talk sulfuric acid, it used in lead storage batteries and in the manufacture of hydrochloric acid, fertilizer, drugs, detergents and explosives. Now we will talk natural acids. The uses of natural acids are, first, ascorbic acid, which is have vitamin C. Citric acid is used as flavoring agent and food preservative. Acetic acid is a flavoring agent in the form of vinegar and food preservative. And tartaric acid is a souring agent and in baking powder. Okay children, now we will discuss questions regarding this video. So children, we have already discussed question number 1, 2, 3, 6 from A part and question number 1 from B part. Come children from C part. Question number 1, write the properties of an acid. The answer of this question is on page number 12. Number 1, they have a sour taste. They turn blue litmus red. Third, they corrode most metals, that is chemically act on them, forming new compound called salts, and the reaction is Zn plus H2SO4 is equal to ZnSO4 plus H2. The next property, acidic substance react with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to evolve carbon dioxide with effervescence, and the reaction is Na2CO3 plus twice HCl is equal to twice of NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. And the next reaction is sodium hydrogen carbonate plus citric acid is equal to sodium citrate, water and carbon dioxide. Now children, come to the next question. Question number 2 from B part. Describe an activity to show the effect of an acid on carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Children, the answer of this question is on again page number 12. There is an activity. We write, take some baking soda NaHCO3 and put 1 or 2 drops of lemon juice on it. Carbon dioxide will evolve with effervescence with a hissing sound, and the reaction is this. Again, sodium hydrogen carbonate plus citric acid is sodium citrate, water and carbon dioxide. And also we write, we drop some strong vinegar on a marble floor. We may observe effervescence because of calcium carbonate reacts with acid, and the reaction is CaCO3 plus H2SO4 is equal to CaSO4 plus H2 plus CO2. Okay children, do both the question in your notebook. Goodbye everyone.